Call 313 is standing by.
Undercover Oklahoma 860 on the Super Bowl. Let's get it done. 860. Sun and fun here in the Caribbean. Let's go. Undercover Oklahoma. Boom, boom.
80, top of the morning to you, afternoon, whatever the case might be around your Caribbean islands. Undercover in Oklahoma, returning your call. Come on down.
Alright, Oklahoma, you're cutting right through the hash and trash on the bowl, man. You're on top of the gate. Undercover Oklahoma's on top of the gate, and guess what, my friend? I'm running a video gate here. You're long and strong here in the Caribbean, standing tall. 860 Caribbean, with a video gate running 42 seconds. Let's go.
Real good copy, real good copy. I sure would like to hear how my little station is talking around the Caribbean, because you sounded some kind of wonderful. Can you play it back, or should I go to Bluetooth? Go ahead, YouTube, go ahead.
Hey, undercover, I'll tell you what, man. I got somebody trying to come up your backside, but you just busted right on through. Mother Nature must have got back into your lap. It's going to be on YouTube. Look up Undercover Space Oklahoma. Undercover, one word, space, Oklahoma. And you're going to find yourself landed in my Hall of Fame. And you're going to be right up at the top of the list there. Undercover Oklahoma. Great day in the morning. 860 Super Bowl. Boom, boom.
Real good copy, 860. Well, you're top of the chain on this end also, my friend. Sounded real good. Modulation to spare. No doubt about that. You keep on keeping on. I know there's somebody else out there wanting to holler at you, so I'm going to get out the middle of the road, and you go on and have yourself a blessed day now. I'll see you.
All right, Undercover, you're on top of the gate, man. They're trying to key on you, but it's not working. Seems like every time they try and key on you, Mother Nature starts taking more clothes off. And you start jumping up in dBs, man. You're locked rock solid on about 15 dB here in my Caribbean island. Take care. We'll catch you later. Mr. Undercover, 860 Caribbean, Haiti, Dominican Republic, the new game in town. Bye-bye.
50 dBs ain't enough. Hey, 50 dBs ain't enough. And I want you to know, tell the Undercover, 50 dBs ain't enough. I got down. Looking forward to going up to YouTube and checking out how my peanut whistle is sounding. 860 Undercover. Go on and have a good day now.
Got it all, Undercover. Like I say, go on YouTube and search for Undercover, one word with a space, and then Oklahoma, and there you're going to be. You're going to be in my Hall of Fame. Welcome to the Caribbean Holiday Inn. VIP room service, 860. I'm gone. Gate off.
Bye, 860 with your good side. I'll put it on you sometime more later. Undercover Oklahoma is going on now. Bye. I want to make the copy of YouTube tape. Oh, drummer in the whole yard got down.
Hey, drummer in the hog yard, you didn't come over Undercover, but you're right in there in the video gate. You look up Undercover Oklahoma's video gate, you're going to be in there. 860 Caribbean with the video gate off. Bye-bye. Alright, drummer boy, you look yourself up too. Look up drummer, space boy, space Arkansas. You're going to find yourself in there, drummer boy. Let me turn this gate off. 860. Let me get on out of here before the big boys wake up. Bye-bye.
860. We tell drummer, when the choir stands up, the preacher sit down. Tell drummer, when the choir stands up, the preacher got to sit down. I see you. Agree, big antenna got down.
Alright, drummer boy. Alright, drummer. He's waving a hand right back to you, saying when the choir boy sits down, you got to open up the window. Something like that. I didn't get it all. Catch you guys later. Let me get on out of here before the big boys wake up and start warming up them steel tubes. I'm gone.